You know how psycho you have to be for Viltrumites free, yo. Why are we whispering? Exactly. We aim one cannon after him and the Jankro pine pan which party you want we blast him. Yeah, he all we built for war, but him built for massacre. Dodges, counters, parries, that are three things the Jankro never do. Are you that are me? We follow orders, but him follow urges. You know fight conquest to win, hombre. You fight and hope saying lose interest. Me catch him and one youth hard last week and me just continue walk, bro. He say if that somebody here where watch me no follow me right now, he ma go pop up the head and show me straight up them purple road. Me stab him with the sword, burn up, and him pull in the deeper, lava. How with the blood clot wrong with him? He pull up, he fight with his smile reaching his corner like say I'm pussy clot birthday. Him say, that's all you have? How with it? Yes. If hell real, me have to get me act together, cause me nah spend eternity side of that junk there. If you manage to piss off conquest, just start write a will for no hombre.